Nestled at the end of a cul-de-sac on an acre, this home feels like you are living in the forest. Home features a large covered front porch to enjoy mornings and evenings watching the wildlife. Inside you will find freshly painted walls and stained concrete flooring for easy maintenance. Kitchen is open to the living area and features stained cabinetry, granite countertops, breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances and gas cooktop. Large walk-in pantry allows for great food storage. Master bedroom is split with good-sized closet featuring a hidden safe room behind the shelving and a beautiful ensuite bathroom with large custom tiled shower. Two other bedrooms share a large hall bath with tub/shower. Outside features abundant mature trees, an invisible perimeter fence for pets, as well as good space for children. Just down the road at the Villages you will find a marina with restaurant and bar, boat ramp and covered boat storage available to lease. Close to grocery stores and only a few minutes drive to Tyler. Come see. Come buy.